Sikhuluma nge-growth mentality, umqondo wani wokukhula. Uthi umpostoli uPaul, mina ngatshala, uApaul wanisela, kodwa uNkulunkulu owakhulisa. Khona otshalayo, khona oniselayo, kodwa ubani okhulisayo? In other words, God will wait up until kube khona imbewu etshaliwe empilweni yakho. Kune growth edelayiswa ukuthi there is no seed on the ground. Noniselayo kungekho mbewu usuke efukuza. Ne-grace yokukhulisa evela uNkulunkulu ilinda ukuthi kube khona imbewu etshaliwe. So make it your decision as from today ukuthi enhlizweni yakho kuzogcwala imbewu eyizwi likaNkulunkulu. Be committed for growth. Zitshela ukuthi kusukela manje kuya phambili ngizoshintsha. Usukela manje kuya phambili impilo yami izoba ngcono, ngizokhula kweyikamoya kakhulu ke namhlanje. Ngoba ukukhula kweyikamoya kuthinta every area of your life. Awukwazi ukukhonza la ebandleni ufane nomuntu onenyanga efikile wena una 10 years. The way you behave, the way you talk, the way you even understand things, fanele ukhule before ufike growth. Kuba khona i-order qala. uNkulunkulu akayibusisi into enesiphithi. Umusa kaNkulunkulu uyawuluza uma kune disorder.